He did.
You're so nice, slick back. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Huh? Where's Daddy? There he is.
Donald. Donald. See Daddy over here? There, yeah. Waving my arms. There's my little faces. Two little faces. Mommy and Daddy. Little Donald's face. We'll zoom in. He just had a big bath, and he's looking like an aristocrat. See his little feet. Look at his feet all spread apart.
Almost 4 months now. Jeez, Donald. You're getting to be big and old, and you're teething and drooling.
And he's staring at the light. We don't like that. Don't stare at the light, little boy.
You're going to have a tooth come in pretty soon.
Before you know it, he's going to be a big boy.
He's going to be a blonde boy before you know it.
You think his blue eyes are going to stay blue?
I think he's going to be
Look at that little face.
Blonde hair and blue eyes.
Don't stare at the light, Donald. Come on.
Let's see the back of the hair.
Wow.
Wow, Donald. Jeez. Pretty slick. Pretty slick, huh?
Okay, let's say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Donald. Mouse. And a young little mouse. Where's the young little mouse, Donald? There he is. Right there. Yeah. And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush. And a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush. Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears, and good night, chairs. Good night, kittens, and good night, mittens. Good night, clocks, and good night, socks. Good night, little house, and good night, little mouse. Good night, comb, and good night, brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. And good night to the little old lady whispering, hush. Wow, look at that picture. With all the stars and the moon and the fire. Is there a little mouse? You see a little mouse anywhere, Donald? There's the little mouse right up there. Good night, stars, and good night, air. Oh, good night, noises everywhere. There's the little mouse. Can you see the little mouse anywhere? There's the little mouse. There's the little mousey. Oh, what a nice book that is. Oh, that's a good book. Yeah, do you like that book? That's a pretty neat book, isn't it? Donald! Hey, Donald. Where's Daddy? Hi, Donald. Hi, baby boy. Yay! Yay! Yeah. Is Daddy taking a movie of Poppy? Yeah, Poppy's 4 months now. 4 months old. Huh, we read books today. We had such a fun day. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Huh, sweetie?
Well, he seems perfectly content now. Maybe I can have my dinner.
Here, Poppy.
This is the first food he's ever had put in his mouth, huh?
Yeah. You like that, Poppy?
Does he like it?
I don't know. I don't know more. It's awfully sweet. What do you think, Pops? Is that yummy?
Is he? Well, it's probably very tasty.
So we have to clean off its mouth because just getting a little bit too. Okay, let's try. Let's try this. I think he kind of likes it.
It doesn't look like it to me. Somewhat indifferent.
What do you think? Is that yummy? Oh boy. Careful, Poppy. Well, he's not. He doesn't not like it. More bananas? Are you taking?
Yeah.
There you go. Good. Some goes in, some goes out.
Aunt Bona just called. I had to take a break from filming. Oh my goodness, he does look like he's sort of
So sweet and tasty.
baby's first solid food.
Don't you think he looks pretty happy?
I seem to like it.
That was kind of a big bite, Donald. This isn't easy, you know. It's not all that easy.
And we'll see how this transforms to what actually comes out his bottom.
He has never eaten in his whole life. This is the very first meal. Huh, Donald? I mean, it's so tasty. It's just all...
He didn't seem to be... He didn't seem to be totally aware of the gravity of the situation.
He's just kind of taking...
Give him some more.
No. I think that's enough. Okay. Come on.
Hold it, Max. Hold it. All right.
Yeah. What a big eater. Huh? Boy, what a big experience.
Donald, did you like that?
Should we try a little more? You can sit in my lap and have some. It's just a whole new taste. He's never tasted that before. Have you? Yeah. They say that they push the food out at a young age with their tongues. It's kind of hard to get any in there. Oh, yeah, it's kind of frustrating. Yeah, it's a little frustrating. I think that's enough, Donald. That's a good little first meal, huh? Yeah, what a good little first meal. Oh, no.
I think he's really pounding headache.
Donald's having a conversation.
The pain.
Is Donald going to stand? Let's see if Donald can stand. Can you stand, Donald? Let's see.
2 extra strength
Oh,
Tylenol
wow.
Tylenol gel caps.
Wow.
Nothing's been taken to
These are good. Oh, so strong. So strong. Aren't you, Poppy? Huh? Are you?
This is safeguard season. This is a season for germs. I think every locker room got 3 things in common. Sweaty guys, germs, and some serious body odor. Safeguard antibacterial eliminates more germs that cause body odor than
Can you
regular
stand
soap.
up again?
Helps keep germs from coming back.
And let him be.
Smell like a locker room. Now my teeth, my sons, or me. And the
Donald,
Safeguard
where's Daddy?
Safeguard
Where's
against
Daddy? There's Daddy, that's right. Taking a movie to Poppy. Okay, Poppy, let's see if you can stand again. Oh, Poppy's getting so strong. Getting so big and strong. Wow. You're 4 months now. You can stand. You have a conversation? Oh, that was a big turkey.
Drop it in your tank. It's like cleaning your
That was a... Donald's first playing the piano for the very first time at 4 months with Daddy.